So dear students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain some problems from calculus which are basically from your Cengage textbook. Okay na? So I am trying to cover as many models as possible. Okay, though they are very important problems for your next JEE mains examination. So don't skip this video. Please watch all these 5 problems. Okay, so let us start our problem. The intercepts on x-axis made by the tangents to the curve y is equal to integral 0 to x modulus of t dt, where x is a real number, which are parallel to the line y is equal to 2x are equal to. So here there is a curve, there is a line is there, y is equal to 2x is a line, there is a curve is there. There is a curve is also there. So we have to find out the tangents parallel to this line y is equal to 2x. We have to find out their x-intercepts. Understand? X-intercepts. If you find out the equation of this tangent, so easily we can find out the equation of the x-intercepts of the tangent. Okay now. So we know that y is equal to 2x now. So what is the slope of this line? 2. Therefore slope of this tangent is also 2. Slope of the tangent is also 2. Matched. If you want to find out the point where the tangent touches the curve, the problem is over. But to find out that point, we have to find out the equation of this curve. Understand? Equation of the curve. The equation of the curve is given in this form. Not, it is not given directly. Y is equal to 0 to x modulus of t dt. Okay. So first of all, we will find out that equation of the curve. Okay na? Welcome to the problem. See here, whenever modulus of t is given, so immediately there arises 2 cases, case 1 and case 2. Case 2. Modulus of t means, so t greater than 0 or t is less than 0. T is greater than 0, t is less than 0. Of course, t also may be equal to 0. If you y is equal to 0 means it will become an x-axis, and that is a different case will come. So t greater than 0 means modulus of t is equal to t. T less than 0 means modulus of t is equal to minus t. That means there are 2 possible equations of the curves will come. The first one is y is equal to integral 0 to x modulus of t is equal to dt. So this is t square by 2 integral 0 to x. This is x square by 2. So what is your curve equation? X square by 2. Understand this? Okay. Now what is the slope of the line? What is the slope of the tangent? So 2. Why? It is parallel to the line y is equal to 2x. We know how to find out the slope of the tangent. So derivative dy by dx is equal, this is nothing but slope. This is 2x by 2, this is x is equal to 2. We got the x-intercept, x coordinate. So how to get y coordinate? Substitute in this 2 square, 4 by 2, 2. So y is equal to 2. Therefore on the whole, what is your point? 2, 2. Slope is also how much? 2. Understand? So the tangent passes through the point 2, 2 having the slope m is equal to 2. Now what is the equation of the tangent? Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. If you want to find out the x-intercept, if you want to find out the x-intercept, just put y is equal to 0. So put y is equal to 0, what happens you see? If you put y is equal to 0, so this is a minus 1, minus 2 will come plus 2, x is equal to 1 come. So this is your one x-intercept. X is equal to 1. So you can see the answer plus or minus 1. So x-intercept you got 1. Now coming to this problem. So y is equal to integral 0 to x modulus of t is minus t. So this is equal to minus t square by 2 upper limit, lower limit. So y is equal to minus x square by 2. Okay. So in this case the curve equation is y is equal to minus x square by 2. Now what is the slope of this tangent? Dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 2, that is equal to minus x. Okay. Now what is the slope of the tangent is given? 2. since the tangent is parallel to the line, y is equal to 2x. So therefore x is equal to minus 2. So if you substitute x is equal to minus 2 here, minus 2 whole square, 4 by 2, 2 minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. So what is your point? Minus 2 comma minus 2. Slope is also 2. Now what is the equation of the tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, now to find the x-intercept, put y is equal to 0. Easy. Y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, 0, this is 2 by 2, cancel 1. So minus 2 plus 2 will come minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. So this is your x-intercept. So your x-intercept is either 1 or minus 1. So your answer is plus or minus 1. The first thing to remember this is, so here modulus of t is there, t greater than 0, t less than 0, automatically the solution will come. So very, very important problem this for your JEE mains examination. So I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. The value of integral minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sin square x by 1 plus 2 power x dx is. So very, very easy problem. So whenever this type of problems comes, immediately you think of one property in definite integration, that is integral a to b f of x dx is same as integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, a plus b minus x, a plus b minus x dx. If you know the property, the problem is very, very easy. Okay, so this is equal to, you call it as I and you call it as equation number 1. Now I will apply that property. So I is equal to integral minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So here what you have to add, what you have to do, a plus b, upper limit and lower limit you have to add, and minus x. So if you add upper limit and lower limit, so what happens? Pi by 2 minus pi by 2, 0, 0 minus x. That means minus x will come. That is sin square minus x by 1 plus 2 power minus x dx. Okay, so very easy, we applied that formula. So this is equal to integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this is sin square x by, this is 2 power minus x, that means 1 by 2 power x. Again 2 power x will come here, here 1 plus 2 power x dx. You call it as second equation. Okay, so add first equation and second equation, that is equal to 1 plus 2. This is 2i is equal to integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So if you observe the denominator 1 plus 2 power x, here also 1 plus 2 power x. The denominator is same, 1 plus 2 power x. So in the numerator sin square x is there, plus sin square x 2 power x. You can take sin square x common outside. If you take sin square x, 1 plus 2 power x dx. This is 1 plus 2 power x, 1 plus 2 power x is common. So this is equal to integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x dx. So this is nothing but integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Sin square x you can write it as in terms of cos. Cos 2a formula we know. Cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 cos square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. So that is equal to, your sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Understand? So 1 minus 2 sin square x or 2 cos square x minus 1. So this is given by 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Understand? So if you observe at this stage only, you can write down one point here, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Here sin square x is an even function. So at this state you can write down in 0 to 2 times 0 to pi by 2. So this is sin square x dx. So this is 2 times 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Okay now. So if you apply, so you can cancel 2 you can cancel. So this is equal to, for 1 you will get 1x minus, for cos 2x. For cos 2x you will get sin 2x, integral of sin 2x by 2. Again 2x derivative by 2 you have to write down. So this is a upper limit and a lower limit. So if you apply upper limit, what happens here? Pi by 2 will come. Here pi by 2. 2 will cancel sin pi. Sin pi value is 0. Total this will become 0. Upper limit, if you apply upper limit, you will get pi by 2. If you apply lower limit, completely 0 will come. So this is altogether, these 2 will cancel. This is pi by 2. Okay now. Observe here, pi by 2 is not your answer. So this is 2i is equal to pi by 2. That is 2i is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is your right answer. Okay. So very easy problem. The only thing is applying this property. Okay. Applying that property. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to third problem. Let f of x is equal to maximum of x square comma 1 minus x whole square comma 2x of 1 minus x, where x lies between 0 to 1 including 0 and 1. Determine the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x, x-axis, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So very beautiful. First of all, you study this set, maximum of x square, 1 minus x square, 2x of 1 minus x. So how can you find out the maximum of these three functions? Means draw the graph of those three functions. So the first graph is y is equal to x square. The second graph is y is equal to 1 minus x square or x minus 1 whole square. The third graph is y is equal to 2x into 1 minus x square. So draw the three graphs, then you can understand which is the maximum, which area we have to take. So first of all, so let us take this as this is x-axis and y-axis and origin. Okay. First thing, y is equal to x square. Everybody knows y is equal to x square is a parabola passing through origin, lies entirely in first and second quadrants. Everybody knows. So this is equal to y is equal to x square. Okay now. Right. Y is equal to 1 minus x square is also a parabola, but it does not passes through origin, and but it lies in first and second quadrants. But here x minus 1, we can take 1 minus or x minus 1. X minus 1 means what? The total, the center, this parabola shifts 1 unit to the right side. That means, so this is, if you take 1 here, so it shifts 1 unit to the right side. So this is y is equal to x minus 1 whole square parabola. So if it is a minus 1, it shifts to right side. If it is plus 1, it shifts 1 unit to left side. Okay, right, very good. Y is equal to x minus 1 whole square graph is also over, right. Next graph is 2x of 1 minus x. This is very important. This graph is very important to draw. So, but it is also a very easy one. First of all, if you observe, this graph passes through origin. Substitute 0, 0, substitute 0, 0, yes, it passes through origin, it passes through origin. And moreover, when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, y value is how much? 0. When x is equal to 0, y value is equal to how much? 1. That means it passes through 1 comma 0. So this the curve is passes through 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 0. Okay na? Right, very clear. Then how to do 2x minus x square? Observe here, y is equal to 2x minus 2x square. What is the x square coefficient? Minus 2. That means negative. That means it has local maximum value. It will have local maximum in the interval 0 to 1. That means the curve should be like this. So curve should be like this. Very beautiful. Understand this? So since the x square coefficient is negative, it should have maximum value in the interval 0 to 1. Very good. So in this graph, if you observe, what is the maximum from the interval 0 to 1? From 0 to 1, what is the maximum? So this is your maximum curve. This is your maximum curve. Understand? This is your maximum. So we have to find out the area region bounded by the curve, that means this maximum curve up to here. So this curve you have to take, this curve you have to take, this is the maximum curve between the interval 0 to 1 and x-axis, that means this is the x-axis, this is the x-axis, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means y-axis, x is equal to 1 means, so this is the line x is equal to 1. That means what area you have to find out? So you have to find out the area, this, right, this area you have to find out. Understand this? Right. Okay, now, very nice. So you want to find out the area of that region. If you observe that, so our graph is up to here is a downward and again it is upward and downward, it is up. Therefore, I will divide the graph up to here, region, into 3 parts. This is a first part and it is a second part and up to here third part. From 0 to here first part, 1 to here second part, second to third here part. So to find out this point, we have to find out the point of intersection of, so what curve we have to find out? If you want to find out this curve, this point, you have to find out the point of intersection of. So what is this curve? This is a y is equal to x minus 1 whole square and this is equal to y is equal to, what is this curve? This curve is y is equal to 2x into 1 minus x. So this is equal to y is equal to 2x into 1 minus x. Now find out this point of intersection of these two graphs. So this is equal to equate, if we equate x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 2x square. So take all this to one side. If you take this side also, this is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. You factorize this, you will get the answers as x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 3. Factorize it and you will get, so x is equal to 1. This means these two graphs intersects at x is equal to 1 and another one is x is equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to 1. So here x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. These two graphs intersect at x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Right, very nice. Now, how to find out the point of intersection of this? To find out the point of intersection, you have to solve the curve equations. Y is equal to x square. So this curve is y is equal to x square. And what is another curve? Again, this curve is y is equal to 2x of 1 minus x. Okay, now, so y equate, so this is x square is equal to 2x minus 2x square. 2x minus x square, if you take all these things, 3x square is equal to 2x, so x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is one curve, these two equations, they intersect, x is equal to 0 and another one is x is equal to 2 by 3. So this is x will cancel, x is equal to, so this is equal to 3x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 by 3. X is equal to, so this value is x is equal to 2 by 3. Understand? So now all the upper bounds and lower bounds are also came. 0, x is equal to 1 by 3, x is equal to 2 by 3 and x is equal to 1. Okay, na? So let us continue the solution. Dear students, welcome to the remaining solution. See here, to find out the required area, what is the shaded here, whatever may be the shaded area here, shaded area, if you want to find out that area. So first we have to find out 0 to 1 by 3. So if you want to find out integral 0 to 1 by 3, what is the upper curve here? What is the upper curve? So this is nothing but x minus 1 whole square dx plus from 1 by 3 to 2 by 3, from 1 by 3 to 2 by 3. What is the upper curve here? So this is your upper curve. This is a 2x into 1 by x dx plus 2 by 3 to 1. Integral 2 by 3 to 1. Here this is the upper curve. What is the upper curve? X square dx. Okay. So from this everybody can do that problem. So carefully finding x minus 1 whole square means x minus 1 whole cube by 3. So you multiply inside, for everything you apply upper limit and lower limit. So after calculation, you will get the answer 17 by 27. So 17 by 27 is your correct answer. Okay. So dear student, the only thing in this problem lies is drawing these three graphs. Very, very easy. If you draw if you solve the problem using graph, the solution will be very, very easy. Okay, na? I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, it is one more very nice interesting problem from the textbook Cengage. Find the value of, there is a one integral is given, the integral 1 to 3 under square root of 1 plus x minus 1 whole cube plus x square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 plus 1 dx. So you have to find out the integral of this function, definite integral. So if we observe, are you observe anything between these two functions? Anything between these two functions? There are two functions are here. This is the first one and second one. Observe that. This first one is, second one is the inverse of the first one. That is, I will show you that. So this is equal to y is equal to under root of 1 plus x minus 1 whole cube. So this is equal to y square is equal to 1 plus x minus 1 whole cube. So this is a y square minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 whole cube. From this, x minus 1 is equal to y square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. So just I interchanged it. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus y square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3. Therefore, f inverse of x is equal to 1 plus x square minus 1 whole power 3. So is it not that? Is it not that both are same? That means, so if it is your function is f of x, so this is your inverse function. That means your problem will become like this. So I is equal to integral 1 to 3. So this is your f of x dx plus this is 1 to 3. This is f inverse of x dx. So this is your f of x. This is f inverse of x. That's the first thing you have to observe. That thing you have to observe. Why? Okay, you leave it this. First you concentrate on this. Okay. So let us take this as f inverse of x as y. Let f inverse of x is equal to y. Let f inverse of x is equal to y. Now this implies x is equal to f of y. X is equal to f of y. So now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So this is equal to x is equal to f dash of y into dy. So into dy. So dx is equal to f dash of y dy. Now your problem. So up to here I am concentrating. So this is equal to I is equal to 1 to 3 f of x dx plus integral 1 to 3. So this in place of f inverse of x I am substituted y, and in place of dx, f inverse of y I substituted y. In place of dx I got f dash of y dy. Okay na? Right. So here I will apply by parts formula. That is a 1 2 3 same f of x dx plus what I wrote is, first I will write y outside. So y outside. What is the integral of f dash of y? Integral of f dash of y, you know that integral and differential both will get cancelled. F of y. Okay, f of y. So upper limit, so lower limit, upper limit, lower limit minus integral of 1 to 3, whatever may be the y. What is the derivative of y with respect to y? Y. So again this will be get cancelled. So f of y dy. So integral of f dash of y you have to write, don't know, that is f of y dy. So if you observe 1 to 3 f of x dx, 1 to 3 f of y dy, both are same. The only thing here the variable is x, here the variable is y. So therefore altogether these both values are same, but here plus is there, here minus is there, so that you can cancel both the things. You can cancel both the things. And one more thing is, when you are substituting, so the limits also will be either you have to verify. So if you observe x is equal to 1, if you substitute x is equal to 1, y value is also 1. Substitute here x is equal to 1, substitute 1 1 will come this side 0, y square minus 1 whole power 1 by 3 means y is also 1. When you substitute x is equal to 3, if you substitute 3 here, so here it will come 3 minus 1 2, 2 cube 8, with minus 1 it will come plus 1 9, y square is equal to 9, therefore y is equal to 3. Upper limit is also 3. So here check upper limit and lower limit also you are getting the same by substituting in this equation. Okay, now right. So here substitute the upper limit and lower limits, you will get the remaining answer. So this is equal to 3 times f of 3 minus 1 into f of 1. 3 into f of 3. F of 3, wherever f of 3 value is how much? So here we have taken f of x is equal to, so the root of 1 plus x minus 1 x. So f of 3, you substitute 3. 3 minus 1 to 2 cube 8. 8 plus 1 9. Root 9 3. 3 minus 1 into f of 1. Wherever x is there, substitute 1. 1 minus 1 whole cube, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to 9 minus 1 8. So 8 is your final answer. Okay, now so very easy problem. The only thing you have to observe is the second function is the inverse of the first function. So if you observe that, so putting f inverse of x as taking f inverse of x is equal to y and doing the remaining problem, you automatically you will get the answer. So this is one of the expected model for your next examination. Okay, now so let us start the next problem. Friends, welcome to fifth problem. A population of a certain country is known to increase at a rate proportional to the number of people presently living in the country. If after 2 years, the population has doubled, and after 3 years, the population is 20,000, estimate the number of people initially living in the country. Okay, now, so this is a application of differential equation problem. The first thing is a population of a certain country is known to increase at the rate of proportional to the number of people presently living in the country. That is the first sentence that you have to take in mind. From that only you will get one equation. Okay, so first for this we will start the problem. Let n naught be the population initially starting population. That n naught value only you have to find out. Estimate the number of people initially living. Therefore, population initially living. So let us take n is the population at any time. Maybe after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, n is the population. First, read the first sentence. A population of a certain country is known to increase at the rate proportional to. That means dn by dt is proportional to n. Proportional to the presently living country. Whatever. If it is 3rd year, it is proportional to the population present in 3rd year. Okay, now like that. So here we got a relation. From this we can say that dn by dt is equal to some constant into n. So to remove this constant proportionality, you have to multiply with a non-zero constant. So from this you can say that this is a 1 by n dn is equal to k dt. Okay, so variable separable method. Apply the integrals on both sides. So this is equal to log n. So this is equal to kt plus, with respect to k is a constant, with respect here 1 will come, 1 for integral of 1 is dt, and log c. So this is equal to log n by c is equal to kt, n by c. That means if you take log c here minus log c, log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. So this is equal to n by c is equal to e power kt. N by c is equal to e power kt. So this is a logarithmic form, you are converted into exponential form. So from this n is equal to c into e power kt. So this is your required equation. Right. So here we will solve the value of c and k. Then how to solve it? At the initial stage, that means at the initial stage, when time is 0, your population is equal to initial population. N is equal to n naught. So n is equal to n naught. Population initially, population at any time. So when t is equal to 0, that means starting. Now substitute those values here. So here n is equal to how much? So n is equal to n naught. C value we don't know. E to the power of k into t value is 0. t value is 0. From this, what can you say? E to the power of k into 0, that means e power 0, 1. From this, so your c value is n naught. So your c value is n naught. Very nice. Your equation becomes n is equal to n naught into e power kt. So you new equation. So I removed c. Okay, now we got the value of c, that is n naught. Now our concentration is to remove the value of k. So I told that to remove that, we have to remove that value c and k. So we have to remove, already we removed c value, we have to remove k value. For that we will use the data. After 2 years, the population has doubled. After 2 years means what? T is equal to 2. The population has doubled means what? N is equal to 2n naught. This is the initial population. The population is doubled now. That means 2 times the initial population. Now substitute in this here. In place of n, substitute 2n naught is equal to n naught into e to the power of k into your time is 2. Your time is 2. From this, what can you say? Here you can cancel n naught, n naught. So this is equal to, so this is equal to 2 is equal to e power 2k. 2 is equal to e power 2k. So you can take squaring on both sides. Root 2 is equal to e to the power of k. So therefore, e power k value is root 2. Otherwise, you can remove e also, e power k. So your equation now, the present equation is n is equal to n naught into e power k value is how much? E power k value is root 2. That means root 2 whole power t. So n is equal to n naught into root 2 whole power t. So everything is known, n value, n naught value, t value. We removed, here we removed c value. I removed here t constant. C and t both are constant, both are I removed. Okay. So now we have to find out the initial population. That means n naught value we have to find out. For this, one more data is given. After 3 years, the population is 20,000. That means when t is equal to 3, n value is 20,000. Okay, now we will apply that data and we will get that n naught value. Okay, let us continue the solution. Dear students, welcome to the remaining solution. So here last word is what? After 3 years, the population is 20,000. After 3 years means what? When t is equal to 3, your population is equal to how much? 20,000. Substitute here. 20,000 is equal to n naught into root 2 whole cube. Root 2 whole cube. So this is equal to your n naught is equal to 20,000 by root 2 whole cube means what? Root 2 into root 2 into root 2. That is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. Okay. This value is approximately 7071. So therefore, the initial population of that country is 7071. So this is a very one of the interesting problem using differential equations. We will solve it. Okay. So dear students, I hope that you understand this today's class. Okay. So tomorrow class also I will come before you with some more interesting problems. Okay na? So I hope that you understand this class. So all the best for your next exam.